Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and today I'm going to be working on part 3 of the Suzy Shabby Soul accordion journal. I've had so much fun. This has been one of those projects that I've just been wanting to do for so long, and I just love it. Let me know in the comments if you've liked seeing this less edited version, a little bit longer video, or if you prefer the more edited as well as shorter video. I'm really curious to know what your thoughts are. I will have Suzy's original tutorial in the description if you want to check that out. It was really helpful for me and gave me some really great ideas. She is just super talented. All right, have a great day. Hope you enjoy the video. You know what? I just remembered, was this the page that I wanted to do? I think it was. The 2 and the 5. And that works like that. And it kind of we could have it come down. I think I want some black or something behind it. Kind of have it stand out. That looks good. All right, I'm gonna grab some black cardstock. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have some black cardstock behind it, and I think that looks good. Makes it pop. And then do I want it kind of like this? I think I do. All right, so let's glue this cardstock on. This one. And then that will let us kind of figure out where we want these to go. I think I like this. Okay. The glue. Sticker book. See if there's something that has to do with numbers or the dates. And that's fun because this is Christmas Day. I just realized that. Or how about this? We could put this Merry Christmas. There we go. I can glue that. Oh wow, that was loud. The truck. I think maybe we want There you go. Cute. Okay, I like that too. I think that's good. And then let's do this. Do the same thing. Put some scraps behind. This, and that could be, here, let's do like this, and then those do work. All right, let's glue them on. I love using the scraps as you go. There we go. Let's ink this guy up. Should we add something to the front? I think I had washi tape. Yeah, I think for this red and white washi tape might be fun. So add a little bit of that. Put something right here. Where did I put it? Oh, here we go. That works there. I think I like the belts. Let's go with the belts. There we go. We'll trim that off. Ah. Cute. And do we want this part forward, or I think that's fun, a Christmas ball. Okay. All right, and then let's back this one. I'm gonna do this guy. Oops. very straight. A little ink. Okay. I think I want to add one of these at the top. Flip it over. And that can go back in here. All right. Let's see. Still have these guys. And I have this. Kind of fun to make a little, like, kind of flip. And how would we attach that? I think I want to do another little flippy there. And maybe these guys can go on here. And then another dangle can come off of that tag. So let's do that while I think about the other. All right. So let's glue a little bit here. We can glue it into right here. Like that. I think I'm going to put some of this down here, and I can kind of stand on this. It kind of gives them something to stand on. There we go. And then I want another dangle. And this one's high enough up, so I think it'll be fine. What do we want? Oh, and I have these I forgot about. Those are from last year, I think. The little acorns. Super cute. So that will work. Hopefully it's not too heavy. Yeah, it might be a little heavy for this. Maybe we need to move this up a bit. So more of it is holding on. Oh, that might be too heavy. Might be. Or we could add a second piece. We'll add a second piece. I'm not sure I'm loving the look of the second one, but we'll see. That definitely helps it stay. I think I'm going to trim a little bit off though, so you can see some of that number sticking through the word, or the, yeah. And then I want to put something here. Just not sure. Just not sure. I like the front. That's cute. But I don't know about back here. All right, I'm gonna think. I'm not sure. Now, let's take a look. So it looks like we're gonna need a dangle on this side. Since we have two on this side, we at least need one kind of dangle over here. Cute. Cute. Like that a lot. Cute. More there. Something there. I like the flip. What if, I'm just curious. Let's see. Maybe this is too big. Ow, poked myself. Let's add the little guy. Maybe this will be better. There we go. Yeah, I think that one's better. Still need something there. All right, I think I'm gonna go think for a little bit and I will be back in the next video. All right, let me know what you think of this process so far. Are you enjoying it, or are you just are waiting to see the final product? All right, let me know, and I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.